Here we are on a Friday afternoon, having a little bit of fun in the garage. We thought we would demonstrate how easy it is to find a leak with the SDT340 ultrasound detector. So you should be able to see my screen here. You can see on the screen I'm not picking up any ultrasound right now, and it's telling me to turn it up, so I'm going to turn my arrow up. So I'm at least picking up a little bit of ultrasound. And now, as I move towards my leak bench, as I get close, turn up the volume a little bit. Ultrasound being so directional, as I go across the face of the leak, I'm going to pick up the ultrasound. As I move away, the ultrasound drops away to nothing. I can scan around the whole area here, not picking up anything. But as soon as I come into proximity of the leak, it's going to start to pick it up. So very easy to locate, and as I get really close, it's going to get super loud. Inverse distance law, so if I double the distance, I will half the decibels. If I reduce the distance by half, it's going to increase it. So I'll turn it down a bit. So if I go half the distance, approximately, I've increased it by about 6 decibels. I'm just doing it kind of on the fly here, and if I increase the distance by half, it's going to reduce it down by about 6 decibels. And there you go, as easy as that. Here's my leak. Turn it off. No leaks.